My dear students, I am going to explain you that how the position of a point with respect to a circle can decide the number of tangents can be drawn. And tangents, it is the line which is touching the circle at one and only one point. It will not touch the circle at 2 points. If it is touching the circle at 2 points, then that will be called a second. So, if the point is outside the circle, then from that point only two tangents can be drawn on the circle. Now, so this is when the point is outside the circle. Two tangents can be drawn. Now, if the point is on the circle, in that case you will find one and only one tangent can be drawn. Now, if the point is inside the circle, now you see the positions, different number of tangents drawn. So if the point is inside the circle, no tangent can be drawn from that point, because when the point is inside the circle, then the line that will pass through it will be a secant, will not be a tangent, because tangent touches the circle at one and only one point, whereas the secant touches the circle at 2 points, two distinct points, two separate points. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.